Hey everyone, welcome to another week of distance learning. So, this week we are starting a new novel. So, I've given you a PDF copy of it, and it is called The Giver. It's a really good book. There is a movie version of it too. It might be for free on Netflix, I'm not sure, but definitely read the book. And then, if you want to, after you read the book, you could watch the movie. There are some key differences to it, and of course, I think the book is better, but I actually think the movie is really good. Some people, actually a lot of people hate the movie, but I really like the movie. So check it out once you finish the book. We're going to be reading the book for the next 3 weeks, so up until school ends at the end of May. So you don't need to read it all this week. We're reading about 60 pages a week. The book's only 180 pages. So you'll see all of those assignments in the English Google Classroom, and then we're moving on in history to the Maya, Aztec, and Inca. So hopefully this week is less busy than last week. I know you had a lot with the drop right and with finishing up the history project. So this week should be a little bit um, easier in terms of how much you have to do. Remember to answer the door question, since that is my attendance for the week. And this week's question is, if you opened a business, what kind of business would it be? My answer is I would open up like a tea house, and we would have like traditional English tea, but also boba tea. So that'd be super fun. My sister and I have always kind of wanted to do that. Anyways, let me know in the question I post on Google Classroom what type of business you would want to open. I'm super interested, and have a great week. As always, if you need anything, email me, or I'm definitely around during my office hours immediately, so email me during then as well. I could even set up a Google Meet with you if you need some one-on-one help over video conferencing. Have a great week. Bye.